With the release of iOS 26, Apple introduced a new liquid glass design for iPhone, but some users haven't been a big fan of this update. So with iOS 26.1, you now have the option to turn off the liquid glass transparency. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off liquid glass on iPhone. Now let's get started. To get the option to turn off the liquid glass look, first update your iPhone to iOS 26.1. Once you've installed the update, open your settings. Select Display and Brightness. Then scroll down and tap Liquid Glass. To turn off the transparency, select Tinted. This will increase the opacity of the liquid glass elements to add more contrast and make buttons easier to see. That's all it takes to turn off liquid glass on iPhone. Want to learn about other new features in iOS 26? Check out this video next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.